Wrist above elbow. Get it out, get it out. There we go, there we go. That time of dang old shoe. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Here we go, move around. Move around.
Let's go.
Catch the ball, slice through there. There we go. Oh! Stay on your feet now. Keep the pads low. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go. Get warm, let's go. Get loose, get loose, get loose. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Welcome back, 2-9. Let's get it today. Let's get it today. What's up, baby? Yeah, we ready. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
J Mac from Syracuse, New York, man, came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Away from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the pregame show.
Neely, pregame show behind the scenes for everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
Everybody's back from spring break. You looking to knock a little rust off, or you anticipate everybody ready to go?
Yes. No, I'm definitely anticipating that because I think the guys did an excellent job over the break. We had the Monday workout. They did good on the report day on Sunday. Guys looked fresh and excited to be back.
What does it say to you that you have 100% not only back on time but back early?
Wow. No, that says it's two things I think that's happened. They're showing one, maturity as a team, and then two, they're happy to be back. I think they're excited about what's going on, excited about where we're headed in the direction. So that's inspiring. That's really exciting to hear.
So this week is going to take us to our first scrimmage on Saturday. What are you looking for, energy and juice-wise, weight room, or on the field, building up to Saturday?
Well, just progression, making sure we're getting better each day. So what I'm looking for, being physical. I think we got to be physical. We got to play the run. We got to stop the run. But I'm excited to see how physical we're going to be more than anything.
Everybody have a good time. What my guys that went to Miami? I saw it online. Stand up, all my guys that went to Miami. Stand up. I saw y'all out there studying hard. Who's the leader, man? Who's the leader? Who led the troop?
Keith.
Tell me about the troop.
Oh, we went on Dom's yacht. We went on the beach. We hung out with each other and had a good time.
Hey, who's the catalyst, though? Who got everybody together? Let's go to Miami. I know it's you, man. I'm just going to trade who else? Big boys, man. Self, you ain't had nothing to do with it? Y'all took the youngsters with you?
I was going by myself.
You said you got the whole team with you. Hey, fellas, stand up. Stand back up. Hey, y'all ain't hit him up. Y'all ain't know he was down there?
I was by myself, too.
You was by yourself, too?
I own my dog from the crib.
Okay, I saw a picture with a bunch of y'all. Who was all on the picture? That whole crew right there? So, you didn't see the other guys down there? Come on, man, we're a team, right? We're family. Why y'all didn't call me? Let me see y'all. I done got the yacht for you.
Next time I do.
You had a good time? What you do?
Just train and chill, bro.
You train and chill? Ben and training. They weren't training. They weren't doing no training. What you do for a team?
I went training too, but I had one outside too.
Ben and they bring no cleats, no shoes, no nothing.
We were doing footwork on the beach.
Yeah, y'all doing some footwork.
You don't see any YouTube videos.
Y'all trying to do some ab work, right? Y'all had a good time?
Oh, yeah.
That's good, good. Sit down. Who else had a good time? I know George. George, where you went? I know you did something. What you do?
Mexico.
Went to Mexico?
Yeah.
What part?
Cabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody else? One brother, I know you go. Come on, man. You the best trip taker ever. Cancun? Tell them where you usually go, like the places you usually frequent. Japan. All right. You go to Greece too, right? Where else? Iceland. Yeah, he take trips. He ain't with the little, the little hood stuff. He take trips. Well, you ain't gonna see one of us there. He take trips, you ain't gonna see one of us there. Who else went anyway? Who else did anything, spring break? JB, you do no hunting, fish, or whatever?
I just fished.
Fish? Successful?
I was successful. I caught 20 on Saturday.
21.
Cash.
Okay, thank you for the invite. Appreciate that. Who else? Anybody else do anything on the break? Nobody did nothing? What you do, big fella?
I was fishing with JB. My first time.
That's your first time?
Yeah.
You didn't catch something?
Shit. I would have called you.
The same boat. And he catch 20. And you don't catch nothing.
That day we skunk, coach.
So you ain't catch nothing either day?
Nah, never coach.
I would never go somewhere. I like to go catching. I don't like to go fishing.
We went public. We go boxing now.
Yeah. Anybody else do anything interesting? Coaches? Any coaches go anywhere? Carrie talking with anyone? Any coaches do anything?
I went to do more than training cash payments that
How did that happen?
we were into the seat. You guys are wild, dude.
You actually ready to get
Yeah, dude. He was with Jackson, Smith, and Jigbo. We were in this private room, and he was like, he's somewhere in Colorado, small world.
Oh no, cash come for money, y'all. Don't get it twisted. Cash is doing it. You don't need this.
Where you want me to sit?
He's just doing it. Everybody else have a good time on the way? Coaches?
I went to a Cavs game.
Cavs?
Yep. Cleveland.
What y'all talking about?
In Cleveland.
In Cleveland? Who else? Anyone do no hood stuff? You went 4 miles, you went to the crib, you got shot? I told you about going home, man. Anybody else have anything came back on time, correct? I got all those wonderful reports. We're not really missing stuff. A few of y'all still a little sketchy. We're gonna get that straight though. We're gonna get you up out of here because we have a wonderful thing going right now. Everybody has one mind, one focus, and we understand the goal at hand. And it's on you to get better because everything we need is in the room right now to be successful. You're about to witness a pro day on Friday that a multitude of these guys were sitting right where you're sitting at this time last season, and they're gonna get an opportunity to put on in front of the scouts. Now, what separates them from you? Think about that. Is there anything? Talk to me. Give me something to separate those guys from you. Playing time? You earn playing time though, right? We didn't just give them playing time. How did they get playing time?
Practice, right?
Practice? And how did they practice?
Like it's a game.
Like it was a game, so they earned it. So we ain't giving away nothing. Anything else that separates those guys from you? What separates those guys from you? They were sitting in the same seats, right? They had the same uniforms on, right? They had similarly some of the same coaches, right? They're on the same practice field, right? Getting the same instructions, right? So what separates them from you? Opportunity. They had an opportunity and some of them fulfilled it and seized it and went and dominated the opportunity. So now they're getting another opportunity to do what? Fulfill their dream. You're going to have at least 32 teams represented here on Friday. That's the audience you want to put on in front of them. Think about that every day. What if you had, how would your practice be different today if it was 32 teams out there? Would it be different? Anybody? Red Bone. Would your practice be different today if it was 32 teams out there? Huh? If there's 32 teams out there that could give you whatever you wanted, could draft you where you wanted to go, would your practice be different?
Yeah.
Okay? Well, would your practice be different?
No.
It should be. I ain't want to help them, Jordan. You helping them. Why would it be different? Because you got different eyeballs on you? Because you should practice the same regardless of what? Because the Campbell and his crew always got an eye on you, right? What's one of the first things they ask for when they come in here, Corey?
How do they practice?
How do they practice? But do they ever want to see tape?
Every day. They want to see practice tape.
Practice tape determines how you're going to play. Practice like garbage, you ain't going to get an opportunity to play like garbage. That's not going to happen here. But practice is everything, fellas. And those guys are getting an opportunity, some of them because of the way they practice. And the scouts are betting on them that the way they practice is the way they're going to play. And what they've seen on tape is consistent for who they're going to be at the next level because it only gets better. Like you take the best players in here and you put them to the next level. You take the worst players in here and you send them home. You take the average players in here and you get them jobs. That's going to be. I mean, what's the percentage? Anybody know percentages of guys in this room that's going to go pro?
It's 2%. 1.8%.
What is it? Anybody? Ain't nobody know nothing, right? Let's just say out of this whole room, these guys right here, everybody in green goes pro. So what's up with the rest of y'all? What y'all gonna do? Because y'all have the same opportunity they have. So what y'all gonna do? What separates y'all? We'll figure that out. Because this thing is coming to a halt. This thing is getting real. And you're going to see some guys out there that you're going to say, I don't know why he training, I don't know why he working out, because he don't want to let go of his dream. Because where else is he going to go? Where else is he going to go and what else is he going to do? Because that dream is real. But you got to understand, your dream has an expiration date in this game. And that expiration date is real. Understand that?
Yes, sir.
Maximize your moments and make the most of it. Let's have a great day.
Let's go. It's time, baby. Hey. Hey. Let's go, dog. Hey. Let's get it. Hey, let's get it. 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 Hey, bring that juice today. Bring that juice today, one fool. Hey, let's go, baby. Hey, bring that juice today. Bring that juice. Let's have a good one today. Let's have a good one today. It's a great day to have a great one now. All right? Great day to have a great one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's a great day. Bring that juice today. Bring that juice today. Let's go, baby. Bring that juice. Bring that juice. Let's go. Let's go, baby. You know what we do. You know what we do. Bring that juice today. Hey, it's a great day to have a great day. Bring the juice. Let's go, Hood. Lil Bronny. Lil Bronny. Come on. Bring that juice today. All right, bring that juice today. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Welcome back, Mike. Let's go today, dog. Bring the juice today, all right? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, 7. Bring that juice, man. Work hard. Let's go. Represent. Let's go, let's go. Bring the juice today, Zay. All right, let's go today, all right? Let's go today. Let's go today. My guy, my guy. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bring that juice. Let's go, let's go. Let's have a good one, right? It's a great day to have a great one. Let's go, let's go. Bring the juice, bring the juice. It's a great day, Juju. Let's have a great one today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's a great day to have a great one today. Bring the juice, all right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, baby, let's go. Bring the juice today. Let's go, bring the juice. I'm fired up, man. I don't know about you. I'm fired up. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, bring the juice, bring the juice. Let's go today, let's go today. Bring the juice, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, it's a good one today. Let's have a good one today, all right? Let's have a good one today. One more. There we go. Let's go, baby. Bring the juice today. Let's go. Beefaloes. My boys, yeah. RBs love old linemen. We love old linemen, dog. We take care of our old line. Let's go, baby. Let's have a good one today. Let's go, big fella. Let's go, big fella. Have a good one today, all right? Let's go. Yes, sir. Let's have a good one today. Let's go, baby. There we go. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's have a good one today, baby. Hey, bring that juice. Let's go. My bad. Bring the juice today, all right? Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bring the juice today, all right? Let's go. Bring that juice today. We good. Bring that juice today, baby. Let's go. I'm fired up. Let's go, baby. Hey, dominate every practice. Dominate today. Let's go. Dominate today. Let's go. It's a great day to have a great one. Let's go today. All right, let's go. Yes, sir. You good?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go, baby. You good?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Bring that juice, man. Bring that juice. Let's go. Defense. Let's go, baby. Man, I'm going to show defense a little love today, man. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I still got a couple plays in me now. Still got a couple, man. You give me 3rd and 1, I'll get the first down. 4th and 1? You trust me? I'll get it now. Hey, I still got it. I still work out.
I love it.
I still got it. All right, let's go. Hey, man, I'm trying to keep up with you guys. That's why I still work out, man. I got 3 girls.
You got a long way to go to keep up with me. That's all I'm saying.
3 girls. One day that guy he might try me.
Exactly.
So I got to stay in shape a little bit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Move around. Hey, let's go. Move around. Let's go. Big goal.
I'm always trying to talk to y'all, encourage you, motivate you, inspire you, trying to get you to the next level. I need y'all to do that for me today. I need to know what y'all want to do today, so I can ride with y'all. So tell me what y'all want to do today.
Work hard.
Practice fast. Work hard.
Be great, coach.
Be great. What's number 3? Win.
Finish.
Make plays.
Communicate.
That's what y'all said. I didn't say that. That's what y'all said. So what do I say? I said what you said. So let's go get it. Everything you said you're going to do it. You had how many days off?
2 minutes.
So that means you should be real fresh, right? So let's go get it. Everything is going to be full speed today. We good with that? We good with that? Bring it down on 8. Hey, I'm on you all day.
He's on you all day. Hey, get money on me. Get money on 3. 1, 2, 3. Get money.
Here we go. Get him moving.
Let's go, 7. Catch it. Get through there. Eyes up. There we go. Drive your feet. Drive your feet. Get through there. Pad level. Drive your feet. There you go. Pad level down, Zay. Pad level down. Let's go. Get through there. Run your feet. There we go. Way to make them miss. In the tight space right there. Let's go. Drive your feet. Keep your eyes up. There we go. Drive your feet. Let's go, Christian. Let me see what you made of, Christian. There we go, all the way through. There we go. Hey, welcome back, Mike. Show him why you back. Let's go. Get through there. There we go. Welcome back, baby. There we go, pass over down. Good, good. Dry your feet, though. Dry your feet, baby. Hey, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's see who's lacking. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
So I was screaming because JoJo, number 8, high pointed the ball from Caden Salter. It looked like a trick play, but I could be wrong. But what is this, head tap? He head tapped the defense.
Yeah.
So shout out to JoJo.
Shout out to JoJo.
Shout out to JoJo.
Shout out to Hydration Dan.
Hey, how's it going? These boys right with their smoothies.
Nutrition matters.
It's important, it's pivotal.
Hey, great practice today, coming off of a break. Hey, we need to keep it going, keep stacking days like Coach Marshall said, okay? Keep up the good work, keep up the intensity.
Break it down on one of you guys. Pick one of you guys to break it down.
Hey, it's in the bag, man. Pick one. Go. Let's go, Jordan. Jordan. Ah!
Hey, let's go. Hey, good work today. Let's come back tomorrow. Let's work harder. Family on me. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Family on free.
My God. How you making, fam? You good?
Good, man.
Yeah.
Excited to be back. It's different a little bit, but it's still the same, man. So it's good to see everybody, to be honest with you.
Man, it's good. Yeah, it's good to see you, brother. I'm smiling. Hey, Friday, man. Yeah.
Friday. Get after it.
I think I'm going to wear a shirt that says, have a Coke and a smile.
I like that. I appreciate that support. Shoot, I ain't going to be mad at that.
That dog. Look, He's the man with the plan.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, spring break is over. We're back at it.
We are back
today
at
was
it.
practice 7. What you got for lunch today?
All right, so we're doing our Latin theme today, but instead of only taco and burrito bowl option, put a little extra prep work into it, and we did enchiladas. Heard some requests that have been coming through lately. So we have a braised chicken enchilada on the end, made completely from scratch. We braised the chicken in a nice chipotle type sauce. She's working a little steak right there. You can come through, Brent. Live action. Getting the food delivery as we speak. Thank you, Brian. So yeah, we braised chicken all night yesterday. We shredded that today. We mixed it with a pepper jack, Monterey Jack cheese mix, more enchilada sauce made from scratch, rolled them into flour tortillas, more enchi sauce, more cheese, baked them off, finished them off with an ajo verde, like a green garlic sauce, a lime crema, and more enchilada sauce. So we got 10 pans of those right now.
10 pans.
10 pans. Hoping that gets us through. We don't have any more chicken. Then we got some skirt steak right here that's going. We also got some sauteed shrimp, We got a Cuban style black bean, so black beans from scratch. A little bit of it got pureed and folded back in, so it's kind of thick, it's kind of whole bean still. We got a Spanish rice, cooked out in the same broth that we cooked the chicken in. Then we added carrots, peas, cilantro, and tomato. Then we got all the toppings: pico de gallo, guacamole, corn salsa, salsa verde, salsa rojo, lime crema, shredded lettuce, and we're doing a churro-style donut hole.
I saw the donut hole and I was wondering what that was.
AKA hole.
My Mississippi mind thought it was hush puppies, so I was looking for like the catfish.
Close.
Yeah.
A little different.
And what's on the sidebar?
We got pasta bar up front today. Bunch of fruit on the other side of it. Amari, what's up? And salad bar over here.
Chef, you the man. My mouth was watering. I gotta
You're
go
the man. Go get it. Get those enchies.
Can I do a box, please? And I'll do the Spanish rice.
Lettuce, peppers are behind you, Matt.
Can I do like one more scoop? Can I do a scoop of onion,
Larry Bird getting his grub on.
You already know. And then a bunch of strips.
Cherries too. I'm cutting in front of you.
All right. So every time I go down to Florida to see my mom, I go to this little like hot sauce shop down there. You want a little bit? And I get like 4 bottles. It's a buy 3 get 1 free. So I bought some for the coaches on staff. You know, because I'm loaded.
So what's the Schofield level on it?
I don't know. It's really not that bad. It's the best. I gave some to Luke. Shout out Luke downstairs in EQ. Said it's great. It's my favorite hot sauce ever. I'm a big hot sauce guy, so try that. Tell me how much it changes your life.
Give me a little.
Here,
give me a little dab right there.
Here, watch this.
Hey man, just because you do it don't mean nothing.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying.
Well, I don't have like some crazy spice tolerance.
We don't know that.
Literally. He could be lying out his teeth right now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so cooked. Why did you actually do that? No. April Fool's.
Okay, so far it's not that bad.
It's like a little.
It's warming up though.
Yeah, but it's not terrible.
No, it's good. It changed it. I like it.
That's actually not that bad, yeah.
It's really not.
Okay, because I poisoned it for you guys.
You
April
fucker.
Fools!
No, give me a little more now.
Yeah, that's not that bad at all, actually. Okay, next time I go to Florida, I'll get some. Ooh, just spread it around a little bit.
No, that wasn't bad.
Some like ghost pepper prank.
Well, they say ghostly on the bottle. That's what concerned me.
Ghost garlic.
So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bring it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's why I
dog.
gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.